Why YouTubers like MrBeast and Mark Rober love elephant's toothpaste? Elephant's toothpaste? One of the topmost science experiments used as clickbait by many YouTubers to engage, attract a large audience. Today, we're going to discuss the love of such YouTubers for elephant's toothpaste in detail, keeping our focus mainly on MrBeast and Mark Rober. Do like our channel and leave your guesses in the comment section below, and stay tuned. Now, what's this elephant's toothpaste actually? Let's have a brief look before diving into the topic. It's a large foamy mess, also known as slime foam, that looks like toothpaste squirting out of a tube. That's so much soothing to watch. Formed by the rapid breakdown of hydrogen peroxide using potassium iodide or yeast as a catalyst and warm water with a little dish soap, where the rate of this exothermic reaction is controlled by the concentration of hydrogen peroxide involved. And it could be enormously huge that only an elephant could use a toothpaste this large. It is, of course, not toothpaste, so please do not try to brush your teeth with it. Considered a perfect way to engage your kiddos due to a few ingredients resulting in a volcano of foam, elephant toothpaste reaction kits from many brands are now available in the market for this purpose. This kid-safe version is harmless, but certainly wouldn't taste very good. Sounds interesting. I bet most of you will be thinking of trying this experiment. Me too. Now, let's get further and see which YouTubers have tried their hand at this insane foam arms race, battling for the world record. So, to top the list, we have Mark Rober, the ex-NASA guy, always doing engineering stuff with scientific explanations, which makes the channel pretty entertaining and knowledgeable at the same time, that earned him more than 14 million subscribers. Now, it's time for the record-breaking duel. On the 30th of August 2019, he and a fellow YouTuber, Science Bob, set a Guinness World Record for the biggest volume of elephant's toothpaste. The pool overflowed with so-created elephant's toothpaste. Wow! But the record didn't last long. A science YouTuber, Nick Uhas, teamed up with one of the most viral stars of recent times, Dobrik, and some other members of the latest vlog squad. They also attempted to pull off the world's largest elephant toothpaste experiment, but with a different catalyst for even better results, and staged a jaw-dropping blue foam volcano in their backyard that toppled over the balcony and towered above the house. This went insanely viral. Now wait a minute here. Mark Rober contested the achievement, saying that his own pool-sized elephant's toothpaste was actually the largest. In response to this, and a tussle to outdo Mark, Uhas and Dobrik decided to triple the size of their previous attempt to secure their title ahead of Mark Rober's experiment, and they delivered what is unquestionably the world's largest elephant toothpaste display. Although it should be noted that no Guinness Book of World Records judge was there. Well, the war isn't over yet. Another YouTube channel, Manual del Mundo, claimed the record on the 21st of May 2020 by conducting the experiment in front of their followers in an open stadium. Oh man! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Here comes Mark Rober again. He needed to reclaim in style and made it possible on 22nd of August 2020. The engineer and his crew orchestrated the fountain by making use of wooden pseudo rocket thruster. It took 8 months to execute as a part of his gigantic birthday party for Fletcher Rollinson, a 13-year-old cancer survivor who has an indefatigable zeal for life. They achieved the highest multicolored elephant's toothpaste fountain, which crushed the previous world record by more than a factor of 2, and led them to the Guinness Book of World Records once again. This time, they stopped calling it elephant's toothpaste and named it devil's toothpaste due to its tremendous size. Woof! Crazy! Don't know how long this race is gonna go, but here, I have a surprise for you guys. Guess what? MrBeast, the craziest YouTuber ever existed, took this playful science experiment with elephant's toothpaste to another level. and turned it into a monstrous explosion to destroy his brother's house, obviously a prank. With the help of a fellow YouTuber, a master at experimenting with elephant's toothpaste. Yeah, you guessed it right. The Guinness World Record holder, Mark Rober, again, well, this story is gonna blow your mind for sure, and prove their love for elephant toothpaste as well. So, let's have a look. After successfully distracting the homeowner, CJ Mr. Bro Donaldson, MrBeast filled his house with barrels containing a grand total of 500 gallons of hydrogen peroxide, almost double of Rober's world record feat, and every inch of the booby-trapped structure was filled with green foam in mere seconds, i.e., everything fell victim to the engulfing surge of foam that sprang to life once Rober got the signal. One of the most enjoyable details of the prank was the steady stream of steam that instantly shot out of the chimney caused by the massive chain reaction of the chaos inside. Now, you must be thinking the house, of course, MrBeast pranks wouldn't be complete if it wasn't immediately followed up by an extravagant gift as a consolation prize, which came as a new house to replace the ruined one. Wow, nice deal. So, are you gonna offer your home for such a fun experiment to any of these crazy YouTubers? Maybe you gotta have a new one too. An important question, bound to have popped up in your mind here for sure, that how could such a mess be cleared? To tell you the truth, I thought the same way when I saw this mess for the first time. So, don't worry and get easy. The foam produced is just water, soap, and oxygen, so you can clean it up with a simple sponge and pour any extra liquid left down the drain. Finally, let's see some real-life applications of the elephant's toothpaste. It's been used at the 2019 Miss Virginia pageant more recently, and is also being used for gender reveals for the most ambitious would-be parents, where pink indicates girl and blue is a boy. Well, that's it for today, guys. So, how do you like this video? Want to try your hand at this crazy experiment? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Signing off now. Take care, friends. Goodbye.